Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create table from selected data in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm select order ID to category column. So here I only select this data and press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table. You can see the one dialog box is open, create table. Simply click on OK and your selected data is converted into table. So when you click on here in this data range, you can see the table design tab showing. And when you click on this range, the table design tab is not showing because this data is not converted into table. Okay. Now just click on this data and here you can see the table design is showing. Okay. If you want to add the total row, you just go to the table style option and click on the total row option and you can see the total row is added. Okay. And if you want to insert the slicer, you can just simply click on the insert slicer and select here the product and click on OK. And here you can see the product voice slicer is inserted. When I click on it, the filter is applied as per the product. Okay. See here. Changes. To clear the filter, just click on the clear the filters. Okay. If you want to remove this filter slicer, simply select it and press the delete key of the keyboard. Again, go to the table design. And if you want to convert this data into normal range, go to the tools group, click on the convert to range option. Do you want to convert the table into normal range? Yes. And here you can see your data is converted into normal range. When you click it, here you can see the table design tab is not showing because it's not table now, it's a normal range of data. To remove this entire color, simply select the data and click on this fill color option, click on the no color and that's it. Your color also you can easily remove. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.